Welcome to another Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're exploring Aria Crossing by Beazer Homes, a stunning community nestled in the heart of Henderson, Nevada. Here's a map showing the route from the Bellagio Fountains to Aria Crossing by Beazer Homes. Starting from just $499,990, Aria Crossing offers spacious single-family homes designed with families in mind. These homes range from 1,769 to 2,735 square feet, with options for 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3.5 bathrooms. Every home in this community is part of Beazer's Energy Series Ready collection, equipped with solar panels and certified as DOE Zero Energy Ready homes. This means these homes are so energy efficient that most or all of their annual energy consumption can be offset by solar. Aria Crossing isn't just about homes, it's about lifestyle. Enjoy access to community parks, a barbecue grilling area, and a dedicated dog park. Plus, you're just minutes from trails, restaurants, and convenient access to the 215 freeway. Choose from exquisite floor plans. Vision. Starting from $499,990. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,769 square feet. The single-story Vision plan is perfect for entertaining. It features a breakfast area with direct kitchen access, a walk-in pantry, and an inviting great room. The generous primary suite offers a spa-inspired bath and a spacious walk-in closet. These are the available exterior designs for the home, and this is the standard floor plan. Nexus. Starting from $541,990. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, 2,191 square feet, $81 average monthly energy cost. The Nexus is a single-story home with an expansive foyer that makes a great first impression. Its thoughtful layout provides separation between bedrooms, ensuring enhanced privacy for everyone. These are the available exterior designs for the home, and this is the standard floor plan. Aurora. Starting from $594,990. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, 2,735 square feet, $98 average monthly energy cost. The single-story Aurora boasts a unique floor plan with a quasi-pop-top for extra living space. Highlights include a spacious walk-in closet located conveniently off the primary suite, a 2-car garage, and a loft with a powder room on the second level, perfect for entertaining. These are the available exterior designs for the home, and this is the standard floor plan. As of the making of this video, the following quick move-in homes are available at Aria Crossing. Ready to explore your dream home at Aria Crossing? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 and let's make it happen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video to stay updated on new communities and exclusive offers. Remember, your dream home is only a call away.